Let me tell you, first and foremost, the market continues to remain absolutely sluggish. This is the consecutive ninth month the market has done pretty bad. Now, we are not expecting, even during the festival season, the market is not likely to improve at all, because there can be a marginal movement combined with the good monsoon and all those things, but otherwise the market is not going to make any significant improvement at all. And some sort of turnaround can happen only when the election takes place and the new government assumes office, not before that, because this spell is likely to remain here for the long term. Having said this one, let me tell you the main reason. In our case, what we have done is, but still you will ask me, we have still increased the prices of 3 or 4 products. We have increased the prices ranging from rupees 2,000 to 10,000 rupees depending upon the models, in the case of Chevrolet Beat, and in the case of Chevrolet Sail, and in the case of Enjoy as well. Absolutely, it is going to be the negative territory. In any case, it has to be, because if you look at the numbers which are being generated by all the manufacturers, it is in the negative territory. Yes, in the case of 1 or 2 manufacturers, they are able to generate some numbers that is purely based on the new launches which have taken place, not otherwise. Because the interest rate continues to remain high, because as on today, in any case, you know that 85% of the vehicles sold in India are financed. Till the time the interest rate comes down, the market is not likely to improve in any case. Let me tell you, in the case of Tavera's, an emission issue was during the internal investigation inspection at the factory itself. There was an emission issue which was observed as far as the Tavera is concerned. So immediately what we did was we have stopped production, and probably in the US that is the practice. We wanted to be a good corporate citizen, we wanted to be transparent, so we have kept the government informed of the development that had taken place, and we have also proactively decided to recall the vehicles starting from 2005 onwards. But as we speak, and I'm very happy to inform you that as informed earlier, because the required engineering modifications have been carried out, the vehicle had gone for reapproval again, and in the case of Tavera, we have received the test approval certificate for 7-seaters, 8-seater and 9-seaters day before yesterday, and we will start production of this Tavera very soon. But going to the Sail, in any case, that was absolutely an internal issue, because there was some problem with the engine's quality, because this being a global product, what happened was the engineers have flown from the US, Europe and other places. We wanted to thoroughly examine why it has happened and all those things, though it was only a temporary aberration. The necessary validation has already been carried out in the case of Sail, and Sail has also gone into production day before yesterday, and similarly the production and sale both have started.